Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
AICTE-IDEA Lab Tech Fest 2025 has some very impressive solutions to offer. Today we will have a look at solutions aimed at making the life of specially abled people better. AI-based application for visually impaired. A visual device for sight impaired and a set of activities designed to enhance brain activity for autistic children.
Good afternoon. I'm Mohammad Sonu from Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology. I've been part of IDEA Lab since last 1 year, and we've built a really innovative product named Nayan Sati. Nayan Sati is world's first AI-based application for visually impaired people. Do you know that there are over 40 to 45 million blind people out there? Their lives are really tough. They don't really know what's in front of them. They really have trouble understanding what they are holding, what are their surroundings, and understanding things better. We have technology for everyone. So why don't we include them into the picture and build something for them? That is how Nayan Sati came into existence. Nayan Sati is first of its kind AI application that helps visually impaired people understand things better. How do we do that? Nayan Sati has a proprietary vision transformer model wherein all you need to have is this one mobile application. As you can look into this mobile application, there's one button which says press. All you have to do is point at something and then press tap. The moment you tap, from 3 to 5 seconds, the image is taken, given to a vision transformer, and the vision transformer basically generates an audio response of whatever is in front of them.
Several people are gathered at a technology exhibition. In front of you is a scene from a technology exhibition. There's a vibrant red carpet leading past several exhibition booths. To your left, a young man is holding a camera, possibly recording or taking a photo, while wearing an orange sweatshirt and blue jeans. Behind him, there's a booth labeled Chennai Institute of Technology.
So as you can see, when I tapped onto the application, it has told that there's someone in front of me who's recording me, and he's wearing an orange sweatshirt and a blue jeans. That is really proprietary about the software. And after we built this prototype, we gave it to Devnar School for the Blind, which is based in Hyderabad. Devnar School for the Blind is world's largest blind school with over 700 to 800 students in it. The founder of that school is Padma Shri, Dr. Sai Baba Gaud. We happened to approach him and take a permission to do our pilot testing there. We did our pilot testing with 20 students at Devnar School for the Blind for over 2 weeks straight. And Padma Shri Dr. Sai Baba Gaud has given us letter of appreciation for our efforts. The students have used our app for multiple purposes. If at all you look into the testimonies of our app, somebody has used that application to see what are the vegetables and fruits that are available in the market. A student has used it to know what tablet it is. A blind person, if you hand him over some tablets, doesn't know what the tablet is for. But when you take a picture of that, he knows what's the name of the tablet, what it is used for, and how much mg it is. Another student has used it to do their homework, to read normal books like you and me. It needn't be braille once you have Nayan Sati. The impact Nayan Sati creates on blind people's life is massive. It's really huge. And a student has also gone to a restaurant or a bakery and clicked a picture to see what's on the menu, what he can have in that particular bakery. So the entire mission of Nayan Sati is to give independence to blind people. We are on a mission to impact 2.2 billion blind lives around the world. This product will come out in public on Play Store by the end of March. CBIT has assisted in doing this project and gave us a grant of 60,000 to do this project. It was a really great experience for me to demonstrate Nayan Sati at Idea Labs Tech Fest. It was really nice reaching out to so many people, taking so many other opinions, taking critical feedback and trying to make the product better. I've learned so many things today. I've taken very good feedback. I've seen other folks doing a lot of better things. I'll try to take the feedback and make a better product.
Hello everyone, myself Pandurang Miraskar, Tech Guru, AICTE-IDEA Lab, PV Raju Institute of Technology, Telangana. He is from Murali Krishna. He is also coordinator for AICTE-IDEA Lab, PV Raju Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana. So like we have developed some device in our college in IDEA Lab, like for physically disabled persons and autism children, blind people, visually impaired people. So different persons we have designed some projects. So we have advanced laser cutting machines, 3D printing sanctioned by IDEA Lab, so that students will not go outside the college. Everything prototyping from the idea to until product will be done in our lab, IDEA Lab. So I will show you some of the projects which are developed in the lab now. So this is for blind people. One of the we went to one school nearby our college, blind school. So there people will be blind people will be struggling for the visualizing the things. For animal is there, how the animal will look, how the animal will produce the sound. So they will be struggling. So we saw that. Then we talked with the blind teacher. Then they told they want some book kind of device so that they will touch and feel that, and they will visualize the things. So this is a developed for them. So the main thing is we have designed for birds, animals, and storybooks, and different music instrumentations, vegetables, fruits. We have designed 3 books as of now. So here first they will touch and feel that object. They will touch and feel here, and when they touch near sensor, it will give the sound output. What is that object is? Suppose if that sound output is, you can see here. So what is that object and how it will produce the sound? And here the different braille books are we have developed, and storybook. So storybook is there. For like this we can give for different stories. This is just example we have developed for crow story, rabbit animal story we have developed. So different books we can develop. Using this we can solve the blind people problem. So one more device is easy math. One of the school we went to identify the problem statement. There the teacher suggested for mathematics it will be problem for the blind people. So learning mathematics we have solved the device. So this is standard braille pattern. 6 dots will be there. So we have designed the game into 3 modes. One is learning mode, one is testing mode, one is arithmetic mode. So in learning mode, they will just touch and feel that object. So the 2, 3. So here they will touch that and feel that dots. And once if they are familiar with the dots pattern, then the device will give the task. 3. So the device will give the task to you. So you have to identify that 3 means 2 dots. So I have to press the 2 dots. So then it will tell correct or wrong. So 4, it will keep on giving the task once if you get practice for the braille pattern. So we got opportunity to participate in the IDEA Lab Fest. It is really a good opportunity. So we are seeing what other IDEA Labs are doing, so that we'll get to know how others are doing, what things we have to improve, what things we can learn new. So this is a very good opportunity. Thanks for AICTE-IDEA Lab for giving this opportunity to participate in the fest.
Hi everyone, Namaste. I am Dr. Shankar, Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and Coordinator of AICTE-IDEA Lab in our campus. They are our colleagues. He is Dr. Girish, Co-Coordinator and Tech Guru of our IDEA Lab, and he is our student, Mr. Kirti Gowda, a final year student of electronics discipline, and he has come out with his invention over here. We got our IDEA Lab sanctioned in the year 2022 since then we are conducting lot of activities in our campus, right? We have a lot of industries also supporting us, and they are housed in our campus. We have around 15 plus industries housed in our campus, and those facilities are available for our students as a part of our IDEA Lab initiative. And these facilities are accessible for students not only of our college, even students from neighboring schools and other colleges also. Using our IDEA Lab, we have organized so many activities, hands-on training, boot camps, hackathons, webinars, seminars, everything. And the facility is available round the clock for all 365 days in a year. And the facilities are open to both faculty as well as students. We have made it a point that all the project work done in our campus by students of all disciplines are done utilizing the facilities available in our IDEA Lab only, right? So we have a lot of activities. We have identified various domains and impart technical skill training to students of all disciplines, something like robotics and automation, 3D printing, design and PCB design and fabrication, welding fabrication, electrical vehicle, electrical everything. We not only impart hands-on training to all the students using our facilities, there is one unique feature in our training program. Like we just convert all the engineering aspect into entrepreneurship model. Like whatever skill we impart to students, right, they need to take it further and convert the skill into an entrepreneurship model. So whatever product they develop, the products are taken to the market and they have to sell the product such a way that the entrepreneurship spirit in them will be just taken out. So that is, we call it as engineering to entrepreneurship model. So this is the uniqueness of our training program through our IDEA Lab. Thanks to AICTE for supporting us in all the activities. I would like to touch upon few of the products which we have brought over here. We have developed so many products, number of products. As a sample, we have brought only 2 products. This is the product which, as a part of our CSR initiative, okay, we have brought over here. We had a chance to visit one of the autism centers. Autism center where children are slightly blind, retarded, okay. So we just had a chance to visit them. So when we interacted with them, there was an occasion where they requested us to come with some activity which will enhance their brain activity. So we thought of a plan. So we just created models like this, right, wherein models of different shapes, all these things were 3D printed in our campus using our AICTE IDEA Lab, and the 3D printers available in our campus. So these are the models which were created in our 3D printer, and these models have to be matched with the holes over here. So what we did was, we just made design different models. We took it to the autism center. We called the children one by one, and first we put them at ease. Then we requested them, we just kept all the pieces outside. We just made them to match it with the holes. And we had given them 2 minutes for them to complete the task. To our surprise, we could see that they were able to do it within 2 minutes. So likewise, lot of exercise we just brought them. To our surprise, we could find that when we visited the same autism center next week, 1 week later, there was a drastic change in their behavior. Their brain really got activated, so they were very, very happy. So we could design many more models like this. We had given them lot of exercises such a way that will trigger and enhance their brain activity. This is used for blind schools also, because blind people cannot see the thing. So they would just touch, have a feel of it, they'll be able to match it. So thereby brain activity also can be enhanced. So this was a huge success for us. As a part of our CSR activity, all these models have been created, designed and fabricated in our AICTE lab, which we have donated to various blind schools as well as schools housing children suffering from autism. So this is our one of the main activity. Next is, we have developed another product which we call it as wall scanner. This product is available in the market in a branded form, which is costing very heavy, using a different technology. But this has been made in our campus, in our IDEA lab, and outer body is 3D printed. We have done in such a way that the cost of this product is only 1,500 rupees. If this is produced in large quantities, we can bring down the cost below 800 rupees. This is a wall scanner which is used to scan all the objects, see something like a pipeline or live wire present inside the wall. Normally what happens, the plumbers and even everyone, when they want to put nails on the wall, indiscriminately they put it on the wall without knowing what is there inside. So this will help whatever is there inside will be scanned. It will be scanned in such a way that that portion of the wall, okay, can be taken care of. So there's a chance that the walls and the internal component would get spoiled if we do not take care of that. So we can just using this, we'll be able to identify where exactly the live wire as well as pipings inside the wall is positioned, so that we can avoid causing any damage onto the wall. So this we call it as a wall scanner. Actually, the actual application of this is used in civil industry, construction industry, as well as in the piping industry. So most of the pipe, something like a drainage pipe or sewage pipe, which we come across with lot of leakage problems over there. So what happens, this will help to scan where exactly leakage happens. So there we can easily go and get it repaired, get that product repaired. So this is a wall scanner which is highly useful, and this has been patented. Okay, this has been created in our IDEA lab. This is one of the salient features of our IDEA lab. This is a VLSI chip which has been designed, fabricated for the first time in our IDEA lab throughout India, pan-India. This is the first time, again, IDEA lab is designed and fabricated a VLSI chip, okay, for a particular application. Now I request my colleague, Dr. Girish, to speak about this product.
Myself, Dr. Girish, working as professor in the Department of ECE, Cambridge Institute of Technology. So we have developed a first chip in our college, so through IDEA lab. Okay, this is first of its kind. Okay, so this IC is designed and developed by our students. Okay, so we have trained the 6 SEM students and 8 SEM students, okay, in order to fabricate this VLSI chip. So the complete RTL to GDS2 file has been designed by our students, okay, in order to tape out this IC. Okay, this IC has been taped out through eFabless. Okay, so this IC has been integrated in this tiny tape out demo board. Okay, so this is display driver IC which we have developed. All over Karnataka, this is the first demo board which we have developed. Okay, so this is another product called as robot. Okay, this is Bluetooth controlled robot. This is also designed by our students, the 4 SEM as well as the 6 SEM students through IDEA lab. Okay, so this robot will navigate through Bluetooth by using mobile controlled. And we have developed one more product, that is vision assistant smart cap. Okay, so this is for blind people. Okay, so this will be demonstrated by Kirti Gowda.
Myself, Kirti Gowda HN from ECE department, Cambridge Institute of Technology. I came a product called Blind Navigation Vision Assistant for blind people. This is a product I developed. This is a wearable product. We can wear it. This product is for blind people for navigating. This will help blind people to detect what was the objects on the front. If this has ultrasonic sensors, this will detect what was the objects. It has ultrasonic sensors on the right side, left side and front side. It will detect on right side and it will generate a audio through Bluetooth. These are Bluetooth, wearable Bluetooth. We have to wear a Bluetooth like this, and it will generate a audio. If objects detected on the right side, voice will be given to the Bluetooth, and it has vibration motors also. It will vibrate when right side objects is detected, right side will be vibrated, and left side objects will be detected when left side vibration motor will be vibrated. And after that, camera module will be activated. If want to know, the blind person want to know what was the objects in the front, camera module will be activated and it will detect what was the objects in the front. It will detect like laptop, table, phone, and it will generate a audio. These images will be sent through a mail for a guide who is watching him, and it has a lidar sensor. It is a high accuracy sensor, RP lidar A3 sensor. It will scan all 360 degree and it will give a best scan. It will scan all 4 coordinates and it will give a audio output like front as this much centimeter, left this much centimeter, back this much centimeter. You can go back, you can go right. These navigation audios will be sent through Bluetooth, and it has a GSM module. This LiDAR's data will be sent through a GSM module to a phone for a guide who is watching him. From this data, that blind person can come to know that what was the object, and he can actively avoid the obstacle in the front. Thank you.
These kinds of projects will surely add value to the world of specially-abled people. We will be back to showcase some more innovative solutions.